Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today we're going to be talking about the Terra Luna crash today. Actually traced down quite a bit. We're going to take a peek at why in this video and also where it can go from here. Absolutely amazing price gains out of Terra Luna over the last couple days, but really since May. And we're going to look at exactly how much it's gone up today. But other news, Bitcoin is absolutely soaring today, and why is that happening? We'll talk a little bit more about that, give you a Cronos update, but let's hop into it. If you like the content, smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. I got 3 videos coming at you guys every single day. Let's take a peek here at the crypto charts for the day, looking at market cap. We're above $1 trillion all of a sudden, and we're at 21,369. Wow. And $1,700 Ethereum is very fantastic to see for us today. Holler up, smash up that like button for Ethereum. Super great to see there. Looking at crypto.com, Cronos coin, 12 cents. We retook 12 cents, which is great. And yesterday I did a video on Terra Luna. If you didn't check that one out, I kind of rip into Terra Luna a little bit. You know, I'm a supporter of all the gains, but I want to tell it as it is, guys. And a little bit of it, I told you so, kind of from my last video, where, you know, Terra Luna all of a sudden popped up and came in between FTX and Cronos at rank number 25 after, you know, coming back from the dead. And today it's actually down, as you can see here, to rank number 29. So Cronos came back to where it rightfully should. You know, Terra Luna's been pumping. I think there's still room for it to continue pumping. It was down more earlier today, and it actually has come back quite a bit. And we can still go up from here, but this thing is coming down. And the question is well, what is going on with this price action? Why is it so darn wild? So this is where we just were, right? So looking at the last month, you look at this rise over the last month. It actually went up, and this is a story I was going to show you guys. Since May, it's gone up 37,000%, which is absolutely spectacular. And it was all the way up to 305722 the other day, and now it came down 40%, and it went all the way down into, I believe it got into the threes here, 00 something 3. And now it's kind of, you know, it hit a resistance. Is it going to come back up? Well, first of all, yeah, it's possible. But second of all, you know, there's going to be a lot more volatility. It could go straight down from here. We could have 6 more rises up like this and tick, 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 tick. But until the bear market truly ends and Bitcoin truly goes up, and by the way, it's a great sign that Bitcoin is above $21,000 today. So this thing could fly, possibly, right? But more than likely, this was kind of a very profound, I mean, guys, if something rises 37,000% in a couple of months, you got to think it's due for a little bit of a correction. Now, I wish so bad that I bought some LUNC coin at the bottom. I did not, but if I did right now, I would be looking to still take profit because it's still up so much. If you put $10,000 in there, and that's a lot of money, let's just say you do, or let's say you put $1,000 in and you turned it into $10,000. Take out your $1,000. Maybe take out $2,000 and ride with the profit, or heck, just take profit, buy Bitcoin, or ride out this beautiful, beautiful pump because it is pretty spectacular. But the more you do that, the more risk there is. And so, you know, you never want to be all in. Luna coin should not be the biggest bag. If it is, Godspeed, but it probably shouldn't be, guys. Not financial advice. I'm just a guy saying a couple things here. My opinion on Terra Luna Classic. But, you know, it's clearly volatile and it's clearly got some bad past. Now, the reason it's pumping is because of this token burn, right? So right now they're proposing, and they haven't decided whether or not they're going to enact this, a 1.2, I believe, % burn every single time this coin is traded on an exchange. And so right now there's this big battle of exchanges coming out saying, we support it, we don't, we support it on withdrawals, we don't support it on trades. And the ones that only support it on withdrawals are probably the ones that actually just don't want to have any of it anyway. But the people that want to support it on trades, they're actually kind of, you know, promoting, hey, you know, we support the Terra Luna coin community, Terra Classic, and, you know, go ahead and move forward with it. If it gets approved, KuCoin, for example, will support it, while exchanges like Gate.io will be supporting withdrawal tax implementations, and so will Binance. So that's kind of what's going on right now, guys. I'm not telling you to sell it, right? I just think, you know, if something pumps up, you got to look at taking some profit. You know, if you rode Bitcoin all the way up to $69,000 and you didn't take profit, now at $20,000, you're going to wish you took just a little bit of profit off the table. And I'm just suggesting to consider maybe doing that with Terra Luna if you're up to. Bitcoin topped the psychological level of $20,000 in this very bearish rally as the US dollar is falling. So the US dollar is falling and Bitcoin's going up. And that's really great to see for crypto, at least, not for the US dollar. But right now there's a really big issue globally with, you know, a lot of different countries. Inflation's a real problem. The Great Britain right now, and, you know, rest the Queen, you know, hey, you know, that's a big story, but, you know, they just recently raised their interest rates. So that's a really big story. Italy's been doing it. All these countries have been doing it because right now the world's in a real bad situation with their traditional currencies. And really, crypto looks tastier than ever, guys. But this was a huge rally. This is really great to see. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I mean, look, Terra Luna could keep going up from here. We could see possibly almost to 1/10 of a cent. I think it's possible. We could probably double from here. Who knows? Maybe more. But once we start talking about getting to 1 cent and 10 cents, that starts to get a little far-fetched for me. But hey, let me know what you guys think in the chat box down below. You know what? This is a community. I love talking to the community. I love it when you guys hit me up in the chat box. Again, I'm doing 3 videos every single day. I'll keep you guys up with all things crypto. Of course, Cronos coin. We love that project here. That's been doing really well, and I think it'll do really well in the next bull run. Bitcoin, Ethereum. We'll keep you up to date. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing a $1,000 Bitcoin giveaway when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, so make sure you're subscribed. And with that, guys, I am going to get out of here. Don't forget, as always, to DCA HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night.